Another walk around with v-strom 650, showing off a couple of things I've been doing. This is what the blue headlight overlay looks like at night, as well as the complete blackout overlay. As you can see, with the 35 watt HIDs, this thing still kicks out a ton of light. I couldn't even notice a drop. Let's see, we'll take a look at the low cart flush mount 3 smoked LED turn signals in front and some sort of smoked LEDs designed for an SV650 in the back. They're the exact same profile as the stocks were before. There's the LED scrolling marquee with the bobbed rear fender and the license plate lights replaced with these little LEDs. And there is the LED turn signal and taillight integrated kit. Can't really see in the picture, but it actually shuts off the red LED and flashes yellow when it's activated. And it looks pretty freaky with the hazards on too. So I really don't think my visibility's been affected too terribly much. Oh, and just for fun, you can also see the back tire glowing because of this LED strip that's mounted underneath the tail. So there we go, and once again the LEDs that are on the hand grips, although it looks like I nipped the wire on the one for the other side when I was hardwiring my Beltronics radar detector in today.